Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my vlog. I'm gonna marinate the chicken. Before I marinate it, I squeeze lemon in salt and wash it properly. After I wash it properly to remove the smell of the chicken. In Tagalog we call it malangsa. And after I wash it properly, I marinate it with black pepper, ground black pepper, salt, and lemon. I squeeze lemon. I marinate this one, and I'm gonna cook this tomorrow. The weather is changed. That's why so many people is sick this time. It became cooler because the winter is coming. It's already, the winter is started already. Ano ba yan? I squeeze this lemon. So that the flavor of the taste of the meat is going to inside the meat of the chicken. This is what we have in the fridge. We don't have vegetables. Already Sunday of October. I don't have money anymore. My salary is not coming. I need to blow my nose. Wait, guys. I need to pay my certificate to my training certificate. I need to pay so that I can get that certificate. That's why I'm waiting for my salary also. And I need to prepare my ETS-CB. I want to apply work in other country. I want to try to apply work in other countries, because this country is the salary is very small. The insurance benefit is very low, and we never be a citizen of this country. See, I'm done marinated this one. I'm planning to go to the beach to walking. This is small. I need the bigger.